good afternoon and welcome Rajesh ji to IIJS Virtual 2.0 powered by GIA. So Rajesh ji, IIJS Virtual, your team had participated in the first version in the month of October. So how was IIJS Virtual? How do you feel, it has helped you in the last 3 months?
I am a bit sentimental when we talk about IIJS because when we were having 2 showrooms way back 20 years back, from that time onwards, I have always never missed a IIJS show. The main advantage when you go to IIJS is that when we are in our corporate office or when we are in our sourcing centers, we meet and see people, we meet and see products which are normally moving in the market. However, when we go to IIJS, there are very many number of products, very many number of suppliers, and the entire India is there to exhibit their products. The advantage when we go there is that we get an idea of what all is moving in the country and what is the new innovations that have come. Great advantage is that we meet our fellow businessmen and we can discuss our common issues, and I am very used to the panel meetings during all these shows, and I am 100% sure that IIJS has contributed to the growth of our industry in a very big manner. When the corona crisis hit, and just like all other trades, our trade also faced a problem of exhibitions. It was a very novel idea to have online exhibition, and there were very many people who were a bit pessimistic on this because, of course, we have to admit that offline has its advantages and disadvantages. However, in this particular time, there is no other alternative because it is almost impossible for sending people to the show, and controlling so many people is not something that is practical. According to me, IIJS Virtual is a very big hit because we came from nothing, and the amount of business that it generated from the records which our friends are telling, and the experience for retailers like us is phenomenal. And I am 100% sure that there were some mistakes and some connectivity issues and lighting problems, but this time I am 100% sure that including ourselves, everybody would have improved, and we are expecting the IIJS Virtual to be better, stronger, and more efficient this time.
Rajesh ji, thank you very much. Yes, IIJS Virtual 2.0 has many new features, and I'm sure all your 120 showrooms, all your store managers will really enjoy being part of it. So, like last time, so many people from your company participated. Can you mention a few categories of jewelry which you'll be looking at, or anything new you are looking at to plug any product categories which you will look at IIJS Virtual 2, as in your teams will look at?
As I have told you earlier, the 100% we do have our planning as to what is the items that we should source, and we have a list taken from each of the shops which is then consolidated and which the sourcing team reaches out to. However, along with this list, there is always an open list which is there in the mind of our team, and that open list is something like which product is innovative, or which product is new, or what is trending in IIJS, or which is the type of color or design or new innovations which are kept in many of the suppliers' stalls. So this is something that I personally focus on because it is very easy to get an Excel sheet or a detail of what has been sold. But according to me, in our industry, the most important aspect is the customer. And the customer is always looking for something new, something different, something innovative. And we can survive and improve our business if we are able to cater to his desire. And in all exhibitions, especially IIJS, we come with an open mind, and we only keep the budget of the product in mind. And at least 25% of our sourcing depends on we keep an open mind and take products which are innovative. And one great advantage which I am noticing the last 3-4 years is that earlier only gold jewelry products were selling. Now there is a very big shift happening towards products which includes diamond, precious, uncut, polki, and we are having a lot of customers inquiring about these type of products. So according to me, other than the normal fast moving jewelry of gold, studded jewelry is also something that we will look forward to in this IAGS.
Great. Thank you very much, Rajesh ji. Thanks a lot. And finally, what is your view for the next 6 months, till Akshaya Tritiya for business? And what is your advice to the retail jewelry community?
Actually, in our place, there was a MBA meet online, and I also participated. And many of the students and many of the businessmen were all talking about the problems, the issues, and the uncertainties. And the IIM Ahmedabad, the head lecturer there, he told me one word, told all of us one word. That's, sir, whenever there are uncertainties, there are opportunities. And many people will see the uncertainties and issues, but a few will see the opportunity. And those who can see the opportunity, for those who can see the opportunity, the world will always grow. So I would like to share the same with all of you. And if you see from personal end of Kalyan Jewellers, we got a lot of advantages in this corona, right from negotiating with our landlords to our advertisement companies to choosing better locations, and including giving training to our employees and rationalizing the stock. So a lot of things which we in the normal case would have forgotten or not done at this length, we could do. So I'm sure that most of you would have done this or even much better things in your business. But what I would like to tell all of you is that what we have learned internally is that every day there is a story, there is a lesson, there is a issue, there is a solution. So if you are able to concentrate on this, and if you consider your business in the learning curve, I'm sure that you, us, and all of the jewelry industry can surely grow.
Thank you very much. That's so good to hear. Fantastic, advice which you have given to all our viewers, and I'm sure they'll all benefit from it. So all the best to a very safe but a brilliant start to 2021 for you, Rajesh ji and Kalyan Jewellers, and hope 2021 will be a much, much better year than 2020. So good luck to you, to your family, and everybody in your organization.
Thank you very much, Samit, and we are very happy that a person like you and your organization is so committed to our industry, and together we have much more things to achieve, and wish all of you a happy and prosperous Christmas and New Year.
Thank you. Same to you. Thank you very much, Rajesh ji. Thanks a lot.